Dogecoin mining risks. Before diving into Dogecoin mining, you should know what you're getting yourself into. The first factor you should consider is that cryptocurrency is extremely volatile. You can mine 300 Doge in 1 week, which is $60 worth as of this writing. The following week, your precious Doge could be worth nothing but a $5 bill. Here are some other concerns you should consider. Increased wear and tear on your hardware. Mining requires your laptop to be continuously running for hours and hours on end, which can affect the lifespan of your system's internals. Electricity. Laptops packed with powerful GPU typically don't have the best battery life, which means you'll have to keep it plugged in all day. Consider how this affects your electricity bill. It may affect your profitability, unless you altruistically want to contribute your resources to the Dogecoin blockchain, even if you're operating at a loss, to help verify transactions and maintain its integrity. Energy consumption. Dogecoin, according to data from TRG data centers, is less taxing on the environment than Bitcoin and Ethereum. Doge uses 0.12 kWh of energy per transaction, whereas BTC and ETH waste 707 kWh and 62.56 kWh per transaction, respectively. Still, mining isn't exactly environmentally friendly, so you may want to keep that in mind. GPU shortage and Nvidia's crackdown. If you decide that you want to build a mining rig and secure a couple of GPU, you should know that there is a shortage of graphics cards due to the skyrocketing popularity of crypto mining. Nvidia is upset that all the crypto nerds are buying up all the GPU, thwarting their main consumer base, gamers, from securing their products. So the gaming giant implemented crypto limiters on some graphics cards, e.g. RTX 3060 Ti, 3070, and 3080. This drastically reduces their mining performance. How to mine Dogecoin. To get started on mining Doge, you'll need a Dogecoin wallet. This will collect all your Doge rewards once you've reached your payout threshold. I recommend Atomic Wallet on Android and iOS. When you sign up for an account, make sure you keep the provided C phrase, a string of 12 words, in a safe place. If you get a new device, you'll need it for security purposes. If you lose it, you can never, and I mean never, retrieve your seed phrase, not even through customer support, which is barely existent. And you won't have access to your crypto wallet anymore. Dogecoin solo mining. Individual mining can in theory be extremely profitable if you have a Dogecoin miner with high computing power, since you get to keep all block rewards to yourself. However, in practice, solo mining requires you to run multiple devices to be effective, as competition in the Dogecoin mining space is high. Keep in mind that you will be vying for block rewards against large mining pools across the globe. Best Dogecoin mining pool. Pool mining is a strategy in which a group of miners pool their computing power to gain better chances of winning block rewards. A Dogecoin mining pool allows small-time miners to mitigate the risks of losing money and raises their chances of becoming profitable, as it significantly enhances their chances of consistently winning block rewards. Participation in a pool also lowers the burden of overhead costs and expensive energy consumption, since multiple parties are pooling their computing power and mining as one unit. Is Dogecoin the best coin to mine? As long as Dogecoin's price doesn't drop considerably below its current $0.3 support levels, mining Dogecoin in 2021 will likely be profitable. To be safe, be sure to use a mining profitability calculator before investing in any type of miner or mining service. While the most profitable cryptocurrency to mine is Bitcoin, professional Bitcoin miners now dominate the space. However, there are still many other profitable options to explore. For instance, you could mine Monero, a privacy coin that uses the same consensus mechanism as Bitcoin. You could also mine Zcash, which was created to solve the privacy issue around Bitcoin. Finally, you could also mine Ethereum, although the network is slowly transitioning away from a proof of work to a proof of stake consensus mechanism. What do you think of our video? Let me know in the comments section below. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that like button. Also, subscribe to our channel before you go. Thank you for watching. How to mine Dogecoin is a Google search query that's skyrocketing in popularity as more people seek to acquire easy Doge without purchasing it on a cryptocurrency exchange. Instead of buying Dogecoin with your hard-earned money, you can kick your feet up and allow your idle hardware to Doge mining rewards for you. Win. The term crypto mining may sound a little intimidating, but put away your chisel, pickaxe, and shovel, because the only entity that'll be breaking a sweat here is your PC. To mine cryptocurrency, you'll need a solid GPU. Can you mine crypto on older hardware? In most cases, yes, but what's the point? You'll get paid peanuts, unless you selflessly want to contribute your resources to the Doge network despite operating at a loss. The more computing power you can offer the network, the more crypto rewards you'll earn in return. If you're a crypto mining novice, don't fret. In the following sections, I'll break down everything you need to know about mining and how to do it step by step so that you can start earning Doge in no time. What is a Doge miner? A Dogecoin miner is the hardware that participant nodes in the Dogecoin network use to carry out the mathematical calculations needed to check and validate incoming transactions on Dogecoin, the coin's underlying blockchain. How Dogecoin mining works. Dogecoin miner nodes determine which transactions to include in the Doge chain, validating them and incorporating them into blocks that will be recorded chronologically and immutably on the shared ledger, which is viewable by all network participants. To recap, these miner nodes are using their hardware to calculate the complex mathematical puzzles that are an integral part of the transaction validation process. For their efforts, they earn block rewards denominated in Doge. The Dogecoin releases 10,000 Doge per minute, which are rewarded to whichever node confirms incoming transactions quickest. What are the best Dogecoin miners out there? There are several types of Dogecoin miners. In fact, you can start mining Dogecoin via the computer or laptop you are using right now. Unlike Bitcoin, mining Dogecoin is not very compute intensive, which allows entry-level computers to mine Doge and still make a profit. What is Dogecoin mining? Crypto mining involves the process of earning digital currency rewards, tokens of appreciation, and monetary incentives, if you will, for solving cryptographic equations with one's hardware. To help you understand how this works, let me use Bitcoin as an example. Bitcoin runs on a blockchain, a digital database of transactions distributed and duplicated across a peer-to-peer network of computers. Each block on a blockchain is filled with Bitcoin transaction data. E.g., Pete sent $500 worth of BTC to Christina until it reaches 1 megabyte in size. Next, it's up to the Bitcoin miners to verify each block to ensure that it is valid and accurate. Now, here's where it gets interesting. Each block comes with a complex mathematical problem, the cryptographic equation I mentioned earlier, that is extremely difficult to solve. The Bitcoin miner that solves this complicated puzzle first wins all the transaction fees and scores BTC rewards. As such, the Bitcoin network plays favorites. It doles out an abundance of rewards to miners with higher-powered hardware, while yelling at none for you Gretchen whiners to miners with lower-powered internals. Put it this way, having a beastly rig is equivalent to having Sheldon from the Big Bang Theory on your mathlete team. However, if you join the Bitcoin network with weak internals, it's like having Penny as a teammate. It's going to take her a while, a very, very long time, to solve the math problems hurled her way. Dogecoin uses the same protocol as Bitcoin, which is called proof of work. However, it's much less power-hungry than BTC, which generates a shocking amount of heat and energy. Dogecoin relies on an algorithm called script. It's less complex than mining on Bitcoin's SHA-256 algorithm. As such, script requires fewer resources, allowing miners to mint Doge on less powerful computers. Dogecoin mining hardware. Mining on a laptop is generally not recommended because of its compact form factor. Slim, svelte laptops with dedicated GPU are a gamer's dream, but they're a nightmare for crypto mining because of the poor heat dissipation. Check out our best laptops for crypto mining page to get a good idea of which systems are best for minting Doge based on their internals, dimensions, and thermal results from our in-house testing.